Hi kids, my name is Miss Lolo and today we'll be blending sounds and making words together. S, A, T, I, N, I, N, in, I, T, together, it, A, T, together, at, A, N, together, an, A, N, together, pan, T, A, N, together, tan, T, I, N, together, tin, P, I, N, together, pin, S, I, N, together, sin, S, I, T, together, sit, I, T, together, pit, N, I, T, together, knit, T, I, T, together, tit, S, A, T, together, sat, P, A, T, together, pat, T, A, T, together, tat, T, I, P, together, tip, S, I, P, together, sip, N, I, P, together, nip, N, A, P, together, nap, T, A, P, together, tap, T, A, P, together, tap. Thanks for joining. Please be sure to like and subscribe for more videos.